reload and clears temporary cached files. Fix 2. Clear browser cache. Corrupted browser cache can cause the gray screen. Steps: Chrome Edge, 1 press Control Shift Delete. 2. Select cached images and files. 3. Click Clear Data, then reload Discord. Fix 3. Disable browser extensions. Ad blockers or privacy extensions often block Discord scripts. Try this. 1. Open browser extensions page. 2. Disable extensions temporarily. 3. Reload Discord. If it works, enable extensions one by one to find the problem. Fix 4. Clear Discord app cache, most effective. If the desktop app shows a gray screen, reset the cache. 1. Press Windows R2. You can see the code in our conversation history. Bot 3. Open the Discord folder. 4. Delete these folders. Cache, code cache, GPU cache, restart Discord. Fix 5. Fully restart Discord. Discord sometimes runs in the background. 1. Press Ctrl-Shift-ESC. 2. Open Task Manager. 3. End all Discord processes. 4. Launch Discord again. Funner Fix 6. Reinstall Discord. If nothing works, 1. Uninstall Discord. 2. Delete the Discord folders from, you can see the code in our conversation history. Bot 3. Download the latest version from the official site of Discord. 4. Install again. Fix 7. Check Discord server status. Sometimes the issue is a temporary outage. Check Discord service status to see if there are server problems. If servers are down, you'll need to wait until Discord fixes them. Quick tip: if both browser and app show a gray screen, the most common causes are corrupted cache, VPN interference, browser extensions blocking scripts, temporary Discord server issues.